Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And that is a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and hopefully most of my tools are not dirty. And I have some beautiful paint that I just walked away from for, I don't know, quite a bit of time. And hopefully my glasses are, yes, they are over here. And what I want to do is prove to myself that I can refresh this paint by adding other paint to it. So that's what I'm going to try and do. And then I'm going to use it on the canvas that you see. And I've left the tops on my bottles, and that's working also to help. It kept the tops from clogging. So I'm really kind of surprised about all that. That was today's new development. By hook or by crook, I'm going to find a way to keep my colors from clogging the tips of their bottles. And I don't want a whole lot more paint than that, because I think if I do that I'm going to have too much paint again. And I want to use all of this paint, and I'm looking for the gold, and I'm not finding the gold, but I know it's here. There it is. And I'm just going to feed all of that paint with a bunch of paint, because that's the only way that I think I'm going to get it moistened back up again. I want some yellow and I want some orange, and I guess I'm just going to put up with whatever I get, and we'll see. We'll see. I have some beautiful purple I was talking about in the last, where is it? Yes, I think that's it. This is an Art Minds purple, and it does not dry burgundy like a lot of other things, like my folk art neon has a tendency to do. So it's a nice thing to be able to use it in a painting and find that it's still there, the same color you left it the next day. It's just really cool. I got love bugs on everything out here. It's bizarre. I'm trying not to crack up. Like maybe a little more pink. And I'm just going to shovel, and whatever I need, I've got colors next to me. You can never have too much purple. Hopefully that's not too much, but it really doesn't matter because we'll figure it out. Alright, so maybe some more white before I go on, because I can, and keep my eye on the gold. And I have a shovel. Where is it? There it is. Alright, so we have some that are nicely mixed. I'm going to take a huge shovelful, scrape off the bottom, and I guess I'm just going to have a good time with stripes, because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link, if you click show more below the video, you'll find it. And all kinds of other cool stuff is there as well. That makes me want some of my bright red orange, and maybe some of my red also. So I'm going to throw some of those in there. See if I'm right about the red. I think so. I think that was not a bad idea. I'm going to try and use... I may want to tip some of that off. I might want to slow myself down so I don't feel like I'm in a hurry. I like this, but I want that love bug to not get into my painting. Also, I could use all kinds of stuff in here. Whoa, that was a twofer. That was one bamboo skewer bringing another one along for the ride, right through my painting. Oh well, never mind. Let's see what we get. I can still keep getting things I like. My paint is nice and warm. I had to go, my camera was hot after the last recording, so I went in the house and took the movie off it. Let it cool as I edited a picture. Crossing my fingers I could come back out here and do this again. use my shovel as a drag. Throw some other, where's my purple? Maybe I want this color instead of that color. I love this color. And I think this time I'm going to give myself some ultimate permission to add some dots wherever I feel like it. Right up there. I really want to blend that in a little bit better. I have to decide what else I want in there. I think I'm going to use my skewer. Pull some of that paint right down over the edge. Kind of carefully, kind of not. See what else I've got here to steal paint from. Just sort of lightly hang that skewer right in the puddle of paint and let it push. Let it push or pull it. Maybe cross a few things over. Try and utilize that flowing paint. I'm sort of getting the feeling I want to cross a few things over here and there to add some dimension. And unless I start someday, I'll never know. Where's some yellow? Because for some reason I want the yellow. Just going to pull right through it. Some different colors. I'm very tempted to just dip my skewer right into my batch of colors, assuming that I can. I want some more of that paint to go down over the edge, so I'm going to put it on my skewer and roll my skewer along the edge. And I'm going to pull it the other way and use the paint on my skewer again and again. Sometimes I just want to tip things, but I know it'll all change if I do that, so I'm going to avoid it. A little strange. That's okay. It's okay till the love bug lands in it. I've got some strange stuff going on here that I would like to change. I kind of want to fill that right in there. That's my instinct. A little focused. It's the end of the day. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. I'd like to just keep having a good time without worrying too much about it. Maybe add a few spirals. That might make me happy. It works a lot. Many times spirals make me happy. I'm going to steal some of that paint so I can continue my little fingers of paint right down over the end. If I really don't get comfortable with it, I will probably add some other things to it. That's good. I like that. I'm going to steal some of that paint too, right there. It's almost time to get back into my my pan of colors. Kind of wonder if I want some blue in there. I haven't used nearly enough blue at all. No, I don't want a love bug in there. Goodbye. Yeah, I'm just going to put some in my pan and grab it. Try and scrape the bottom off. I like those fan shapes. They make me happy. So I'm going to do a few more of those. I hope I don't completely mess up my whole composition by trailing things all over the place. Grab a little more paint. Maybe a little more still, since I have plenty left. Yeah, okay, I'm going to do it left-handed. I see that thing that does not belong. Oh, it's only in a bubble. Cool. I like it when they're only bubbles and not stuff I have to grab out of the paint mix. I am dripping on the floor, such as it is. This is a slightly wilder something or other than I'm used to doing, but that's okay. I've got some white over here and I'm planning on using it. I wonder if I can use up all my color. I don't think so, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try and empty my shovel down so it pulls the rest of that color down over the edge. The same over there, maybe the same over here, or not. It's a strange composition, I gotta say. I think I am just gonna go ahead and add a couple spirals. It's a strange one. What will I do with it? I don't know. Yes, I am just pulling things through my painting, but I have to give myself permission to play sometimes. I'm going to take whatever's left and hopefully not go too far overboard. Maybe I'll just use my spatula. I Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Get rid of some of the colors. Or utilize some of the colors, not get rid of. And my shovel. And look at what I've got so I can see what I might want to do to that. It's a wild and bizarre party. Wow. We got like no time left. We got like 41 seconds and then my timer is going to tell me that I've got 2 minutes before you're going to be gone. So I will tell you I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill. And also I do sell my artwork. So if you're interested in any of that, you're welcome to contact me through YouTube. I really appreciate you guys. When you give me a thumbs up, it helps the YouTube algorithm know that I'm worth placing again. So the same thing goes for when you watch more videos all the way through. It's a huge help to me. I really appreciate it. You guys say the nicest things. I'm blushing, I gotta tell you what, most days. And that does not look like that. Okay. It's a different piece. It's, like I said, it's a party. There's all kinds of strange stuff going on here. That's okay. I will see you guys in the next video. I have a book on the Amazon link below the video called Because I Can. It's about my first 100 videos on YouTube about creating the art and sharing the techniques and the processes and all the tools. So if you want some good information, it's in an ebook or as a published version, which has great pictures in it. I'm trying to look at this to see what else I want to do before you're gone, but you're going to be gone and I'm going to be here, and I'm going to torch this just briefly to make sure. I kind of want to just tip all of it. Got a lot of really fun, funky textures going on. So I love you guys and hope to see you in another video. Check out the end screens for this month's contest if you're still here. For donators to the studio. This is a little purple there. Well, I used my colors.